Good jump, Zany. Is that Zane? Good jump, Aslan. He's like, got it, it's mine. I'm dragging it off to my lair. Big jump. You guys can do it. As high as you can. Don't swing it around like that, just hold it there. Call Savannah. Savannah, you're not tired already. Call Zany, he can do that one. You can do it, buddy. It's a big jump, but you can do it. Good boy. Go as high as you can for him. I should measure Savannah's biggest jump again. Her top one last time was around 60 inches. Is that right? No. It was more like almost 60. It was about 70 inches.
Yeah, she got close to 6 feet.
Yeah, because we wanted her to get to 72 and she just wasn't quite making it. You're such a good jumper, Aslan. Spoke a little too soon there. Little jumping beans. Good jump, Zane. Is he growling? Or huffing? Get it back. We need some Savannah jumping here. Savannah's a little athlete and she's barely doing anything.
She needs your feathers. Good jump, Zane.
Very good, Zane. Get that up a little higher if you can.
Zane.
Come on, Zane, you can do it. Say his name. Click your tongue.
Zane.
I believe in you, buddy. You can do it. You can do it, Zane. You've gotten so good at this. Come on, babe. Aww. Now, why are you guys all so tired tonight?
Just making stones.
All right, we were playing with the catnip stuff. Good job, buddy. He prefers not to do the vertical jumps like Savannah. He and Aslan both like to flip. Better watch it, Savannah. You are right in the way. You are so going to get stomped on. I heard him.
Get her strength one.
Are you getting a fresh one or?
Yeah.